Welcome to another top 5 data, AI, and leadership post of the week. Now, many of you have asked me if I live in the car. Obviously, I don't. I live in an F-14 fighter jet. Everybody can see that. Let me take off my glasses so you can see more of me. This week, we have 5 great updates and resources you got to take a look at. The first one is a trend report by Amy Webb. If you don't know Amy Webb, you got to check out her work. She recently wrote a great book called Big Nine. In this report, she talks about 363 topics. There's predictions around AI being $16 trillion of value in 2024. And out of those 363 topics, take a look at natural language understanding, which is a big trend you're going to want to learn more about. She also has a model for how to understand these insights and how to take action on them. So I really highly recommend you take a look at this report. It's free. I've added a link for you to take a look at. So there is really just one thing to do is click on that link, download the free report. Big shout out to another lady involved in AI. This is Janelle Shane. She is known for her book, You Look Like a Thing and I Love You. She's an expert in AI. She has a blog on AI weirdness. And this weekend, she wrote one about Easter. By the way, happy Easter. I hope you had a good Sunday yesterday. Now, talking about books, this week I also wrote a quick summary of a book that I particularly like about Clay Christensen called Competing Against Like. Hopefully you could see it here, and the jets behind me don't bother you too much. But the book, it really is a great resource for understanding innovation and understanding how to build systems from your customers' problems back to your innovation. Really, this idea that customers don't buy products, they really buy solutions to their problems. And to win and innovate, you need to build systems so you can differentiate yourself. Another great resource to take a look at is a video. It's probably one of my favorite interviews I've done with another lady involved in data and analytics. She focuses on data athletes. She helps a highly competitive team called SailGP, these high performance boats that compete, and she helps them with data and analysis. So all these boats are the same. They have the same configuration. They all have access to the same data. The difference is how people take action on this data that's available to them. Great business lesson. Take a look at this quick interview. I guarantee you will learn a lot. If you want to hear stories just like this one, you've got to register today for free for the OA Summit. That's happening on May 12th. And if you speak French and you like French, I also did an interview of Ben, who's on my team, who speaks French. He's native from France, and so am I, as you might know. So we explained to you why the OA Summit is going to be fantastic. So take a look at that, and hopefully all these resources are great and helpful to get you going for this great week. The links are above, and your comments are more than welcome. Tag people down here and let me know what you think. I will see you next week.